Is your Fortnite squad sounding more like Silent Hill than a victory royale? Don't smash your headset yet, let's fix that voice chat right now. First, inside Fortnite, head to the settings menu by clicking the three lines in the top right corner, then click the gear icon. Navigate to the audio tab. Make sure voice chat is enabled. Voice chat method should be set to open mic or push to talk depending on your preference. Next, let's jump into your Windows sound settings. Right-click on the speaker icon in your system tray, usually located in the bottom right of your screen. Select Sounds, go to the Recording tab, find your microphone, right-click on it, and select Properties. In the Microphone Properties window, go to the Levels tab. Ensure your microphone volume is turned up to a reasonable level, around 8090 is usually good. Don't crank it to max, that can cause distortion. Now, click on the Advanced tab. Uncheck both boxes under Exclusive Mode. This allows Fortnite to properly access your microphone. Click Apply, then OK. Restart Fortnite. Now, jump back into a game and test your voice chat with your squad. You should now be communicating clearly and back to securing those dubs.